Hello guys, good day. This is Red Apple 921 again and welcome back to another edition of Funko Pop Unboxing. And today we're going to unbox another Funko Pop animation line. And the figure that we're going to, or I'm going to share with you is tada! Dexter and Dee Dee from the Cartoon Network animation Dexter's Lab. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. Here you can see the iconic window display box of the Pop. Then the signature logo of the Funko Pop. Then the logo of the Cartoon Network, 1067, 1068. Dexter, Dee Dee, the 3D promo photo of the figure on the other side. Dee Dee, Dexter, 1067. The Pop Animation logo at the back, the other figure that are included in this series, then the title of the animation series from Cartoon Network, Dexter Laboratory, then the whole body, the 3D promo photo, whole body of the Pop, then top and the bottom. Now guys, for a quick and fast unboxing, let's do this now. Tada! By the way guys, this two figure is based on the Cartoon Network TV series or TV animation series, Dexter Lab, and the series is about the misadventure of the boy genius, who is Dexter, and his annoying sister Dee Dee. This runs from 1996 to 2003, and the animation is a adventure and comedy. And Dexter Lab is about the misadventure of a boy genius, who is Dexter, and his annoying sister. Now let's take a closer look at the figure. Let's start first with Dee Dee. By the way guys, Stan is included in this figure. Look at Dee Dee. So nice. Look at the mouth, the eyes. So, well detailed, light colored of the hair. Detail. Look at the hands of Dee Dee. Look at the mouth. The mouth is wide open. So nice. Look at the outfit of Dee Dee, same as in the series. Nice. Now let's take a look at Dexter. Dexter, the boy genius, who invented many things, but in the end, her sister ruins it. Look at the detail of the hair, guys. Look at the glasses. Oh no, so nice. Exactly as same as in the series. It's so nice, guys. And it's heavy. I love it. So nice. It's a great addition to my animation collection. Well, I guess that's it guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest unboxing. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.